Good morning student, welcome back. My name is Swati Sharma, Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. Jai Swaminarayan. Today's date is 7 July and our topic is running on linear equation in two variables. Okay, you know what is linear equation in two variables. We have completed our chapter in our previous video. It's time to short revision. Okay, let's start our short revision. First of all, you know what is linear equation in one variable. If the equation having highest power is 1, equation if in equation the variable's highest power is 1, it is called linear equation in one variable, and there is only one variable. Okay, an equation or you can say that an equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is called linear equation in one variable where highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, and we have solved this equation and solution root of the equation. We find the solution, root and value of the equation. Okay, now and this is also called zeros of the equation. Okay, and every linear equation in one variable has one and only one solution. If we can say linear equation in one variable, then what is how much solution is there? Only one solution is there, means every linear equation in one variable has one and only one solution or root or zeros. Okay, permissible rule for solving equation. We have solved equation by two ways. First is balancing method and another is transposing method. Now we can talk about linear equation in two variable. The equations type is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real number, where a and b are not both 0. Means if a equal to 0 and if b is equal to 0, but both are not equal to 0. Okay, example 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 is a linear equation of two variables, because 2, 3 and minus 9 are all real numbers, and also both a and b is not equal to 0. Understand? Now there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. If if we talk about linear equation in one variable, there is only one solution. But if there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation of two variables. Okay, the graph of every linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Okay, understand, the graph of every linear equation in two variable is a straight line. Understand? And in this chapter we have learned solution of a linear equation in two variables, and it's given, if it's given the zeros of the equation, then you find the value of something, value of variables. Okay, now in this chapter we have learned how to draw a graph on a graph paper. Okay, how to draw a graph on graph paper for linear equation in two variables. Okay, hence the graph of every linear equation is two variable is a straight line, but every point on the graph of a linear equation is in two variable is a solution of the linear equation. Understand? First of all, every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variable is a solution of the linear equation. Conversely, every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. Okay, the reason that a polynomial equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 of degree 1 is called a linear equation is that its geometrical representation is a straight line. You know, student, you know, if we draw a graph on a graph paper for linear equation in two variable, it is always a straight line. Okay, so each and every point is a solution of a linear equation, and every solution of a linear equation is a point on the straight line. Okay, drawing graph of a linear equation in two variable. To draw the graph of a linear equation in two variable x and y, proceed as under. What is the main points are here? Rewrite the given equation with y as the subject, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, you have to rewrite the equation in the form of y. Okay, select any three convenient integral values of x and find the corresponding value of y for each of the selected value of x. Make table of values. Draw the coordinate axis on the graph paper and choose suitable scale. Okay. Plot the point on the graph paper, coordinate plane. Connect any 2 points by a straight line and check that the third point lies on it. In fact, 2 points are sufficient to draw the straight line, but we use 3 points for drawing the graph to check the correctness of the graph. Okay, so 2 point is enough, but you have to draw at least 3 point. Understand? Now, so in short, in this chapter you have studied the following point. Which the following points? So in this chapter you have studied the following point: an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. The graph of every linear equation in two variable is a straight line. X is equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis, and y is equal to 0 is the equation of the x-axis. Remember, okay, the graph of x is equal to a is a straight line parallel to y-axis. The graph of y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to x-axis. An equation of type y is equal to mx represent a line passing through the origin. Okay, every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a solution of the linear equation. Moreover, every solution of linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. Okay, understand? I think you have completed exercise 4.4 in your notebook. Only 2 questions is there. Okay, so complete it in your notebook. Have a good day.